Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Honda Accord transmission fluid. First, park your vehicle on a level surface to ensure an accurate fluid level reading. It's crucial that the engine reaches its normal operating temperature before you begin this process. Also, have a clean rag and a funnel ready, as these will be helpful for checking and potentially adding fluid. This preparation ensures a smooth and precise check. Now let's find that transmission fluid dipstick. In most Honda Accords, it's typically yellow or red and located near the engine. If you're having trouble finding it, your owner's manual is an excellent resource for the precise location. Once you've found it, carefully remove the dipstick, wipe it completely clean with your rag, and then reinsert it all the way back into its tube. With the dipstick reinserted, pull it out one more time to check the fluid level. The fluid should fall between the hot or full marks on the dipstick. Also, pay attention to the fluid's color. It should be a clear red or amber. If it appears dark brown or black, it might be time for a fluid change. If the level is low, add only Honda-approved transmission fluid slowly. Remember, overfilling your transmission fluid can be just as harmful as having too little, potentially causing serious damage to your transmission. It's a good practice to check your transmission fluid regularly, perhaps every 15,000 miles or at least once a year, to maintain optimal performance. If you ever notice unusual smells, strange shifting, or persistent low fluid, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.